How to enable or disable use mobile data during calls on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. In mobile network, scroll down and go to advanced settings. Here in advanced settings, you can see here the use mobile data during calls. And the use mobile data during calls is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. If this enable, when you are on call using the secondary data SIM, also use it to access the mobile network. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disable use mobile data during calls on OPPO Reno 7 5G.